On the occasion of Vana Mahotsav Week, in collaboration with the Zonal Agricultural Office at Mapusa, today we have distributed plant saplings to the educational institutions of Mapusa constituency. This year, we created a special initiative for distribution of do-it-yourself seed kits to the young students of all the institutes. So how it works is, we have distributed a kit in which there are two varieties of seeds. One is the red spinach, or we call it tamari bhaji, and the other is the ladyfinger or bende. Along with that is some cocoa peat and a stick to help you measure the depth of how deep you're supposed to plant. So the reason behind this initiative is for the youngsters and the young students to get in touch with nature, to get in touch with how our ecosystem works. Basically, plant a seed, take care of it, nurture it, watch it grow. It also aligns with this year's theme of Vana Mahotsav to make sure that we take care of this the way our mother takes care of us. So we take care of the seed right till it germinates, right till it becomes a sapling, and as it grows into a plant, it will bear fruit. So the entire journey has to be watched over by the youngsters, by the school students, so that they are part of the seeds journey from a seed to a plant, to understand how nature works and to be able to build a greener Mapusa, a greener Bangladesh and a greener